Hey guys, it's Morgan with Longhaul Lifesavers, and today we're going to be baking in a convection oven, so stay tuned. So today we're just gonna make Betty Crocker muffin mix here, just some chocolate chip muffins for simplicity's sake, so we don't have a ton of ingredients to go through. Your convection oven should have come with two different accessories in it, and that is a flat tray that goes into the oven, as well as a round tray that sits on the glass plate that rotates while the oven is on. I only use the round tray when baking with a convection oven because this rotates continuously, so all of your food is gonna bake evenly. Whereas when you use the flat tray, there's always a corner that doesn't bake evenly. So I like the round tray. Because I use the round tray, I have decided that I only buy round pans that fit the round tray. I still have my normal square pans and stuff for the propane oven, but in the convection oven, I stick to the round trays. So even when I make things like cupcakes or muffins like today, I go ahead and use these round trays. I just put my cupcake tins in the round tray and it works just fine. Very important step in the process is licking the bowl. Part of convection oven cooking is getting to know your oven. So your temperatures and your times might be a little different than what it would be in like the oven in your house or even your propane oven in the RV. For example, this recipe calls for 375. I'm gonna set the oven at 350, but cook it for the same time that it's recommending, which is 21 minutes. If you look in and you don't think your food's done enough, you can add more time, and I'll show you how to do that in a second. So now I'm gonna set the temperature. So I'm gonna select convection, and then 350, which is number 7 on my convection oven. So each one will have 100, 150, 250. And then, so once I've selected the 350, I'm gonna hit start. And that's the preheat phase for the convection oven. Once your oven actually comes to temperature, this light here will stop blinking. There'll be a full row of lights and you will hear a fan kick on. Taken about 5 minutes for it to reach 350. There are a couple good things about convection ovens, and that is that it bakes your food more evenly, and number 2, it doesn't heat up the RV. You just heard the fan kick on, so we just reached 350. One reminder, this is an oven, it's very hot, so when you put it in, don't touch anything else because you will burn yourself. I forget often and think that it's like a microwave and grab whatever's in there, so be careful. All right, so now once we have the food in, we're gonna start our timer. So you're gonna push timer, and we're gonna do it for 20 minutes, and hit start. Oh, 00. So we've got 20 minutes, hit start. Now it's gonna start counting down. I really want 21 minutes, but I'm showing you how to add time here. So you're gonna add 30 seconds, and that added to make it 21 minutes. So in 20 minutes, we're gonna have some delicious muffins. See, I almost grabbed it. So again, remember, have an oven mitt or something to grab because this is not a microwave. So the oven just turned off. And normally I would squish a lot more in there so that they don't overflow like that and make more, but it's just for this video. One bad thing about this oven though is it draws a lot of electricity. So for coaches like us, we have 3 AC units. So I have to turn at least 1 AC unit off in order to be able to use this. Otherwise you run the risk of starting to trip things, especially when you're in pretty much an all electric coach like ours. So just keep that in mind, know what you have running before you start using this.
And now you have delicious muffins.
Cheers.
Until next time, stay safe guys. See ya.
Bye.